tighten or sagging boobs, and to firm it up, you're going to be needing Fuller's Earth Clay powder. Now this powder helps so much in polishing up the skin, and it tightens up the skin muscles, therefore firming up your boobs, and it also helps to clear up stretch marks. Okay, so it's going to be perfect for that. And also you're going to be needing some petroleum jelly. Now Vaseline is a great moisturizer, and it will aid in tightening up your boobs when you use it with Fuller's Earth Clay powder. It's going to be very important for that. Then you're going to be needing carrot oil. You can actually make your carrot oil yourself, or you can buy carrot oil in the market. Okay, carrot oil is one essential oil that helps so much go straight deep into the skin, firm it all up, and tighten up your skin, and it's a great moisturizer. So if you can't use carrot oil, you can actually use the carrot itself. Okay, then you're also going to be needing extra virgin olive oil. Now this is one home remedy that helps so much in firming up the skin, and it tightens up the skin pores, and it will aid with Fuller's Earth Clay powder to firm up your saggy and flappy boobs. Alright, for the Fuller's Earth, we're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of that. Okay, and for the petroleum jelly, we're also going to be scooping in and then we're going to be putting in the carrot oil. Then we'll be needing the olive oil. Okay, so that is going to be perfect. Now we are going to be mixing all of this oil and the Fuller's Earth together to give us a fine paste. And this paste is basically what you need to firm up your saggy boobs. You can actually use it to firm up your saggy jawline. And this is it. Okay guys, so for this you can actually store it in an airtight container. It's actually not going to go bad. You can store it as long as you want, and then when you want to use it, you just take it out and use it, and it's just going to be good. So you can actually apply this every day for the space of a few weeks, and your saggy boobs is just going to come up. Now you can also apply it on a wrinkled skin, a wrinkled face, and fine lines, and it's going to help you so freaking much. What's up guys? Alright, so here's the boob tightening remedy, and you're just gonna take this and then you're just gonna apply it onto your boobs. Of course, I'm not gonna like show you all of my boobs, so I'm just gonna apply it up here so you see how it's gonna like sink into your skin. And then what you do is to apply that, and then you apply it like that. Okay, apply it. Okay, and then you scrub it. When you're done scrubbing, I mean you have to scrub for like some minutes guys. Okay, you have to scrub for like some minutes, and then when you're done scrubbing, Then you have to hold it on for some minutes, and then your boobs is gonna tighten. Okay, so that's it. And for this, you can store it in an airtight container. Okay, you basically be rubbing it every day, and you leave it on for some minutes. Okay, you have to do it very well so that it kind of sink into your skin. When it does, in a couple of weeks, you're going to be seeing a great result. It's as simple as that. It's not like too difficult, but it works. Yes, it does work. Okay, try it. You're going to love it.